I think we hit the jackpot.
Yes, we did. Are you seeing this? That's all good?
All good.
Yay!
Yeah, it works. He just scanned the motorcycles.
He scanned it?
He scanned the license plates and it went well. He just registered it and he said all good.
Nice. That is nice news. Good news. So we are on the ferry now from to Sørrollnes. And this is much calmer. This is a ferry in our style. Ferry that is just going straight. No waves. And we're just going to sit here and have something to eat, I think.
Yeah.
Some candy or something. My new obsession, I can just say my new obsession. This guys, this is what it's all about. It really is.
Yeah.
And this, because I can't function if I don't eat anything. But yeah, it's getting a bit nippy.
Yeah, it's getting a bit nippy.
I should have brought my mössa.
Cap.
Insert English word here.
I have my buff, my tube.
Yeah. One of the great things with this daily set is this. The extra fabric keeps me warm-ish. We can't really see much right now, but we are soon in Sørrollnes.
Not really. But we're, I hope you can see my 360 camera because it's shaking.
It's
But yeah, we're closing in on, what was it called? Sørrollnes? We're closing in on Sørrollnes. That's what it's called. And then we have 2 hours and 28 minutes.
What's the time?
Time is right now 16:48.
Okay. So it's, I think it said 55, so a few more minutes.
Yeah, you can hear the engine start to slow down. Da 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 da. It's like opening a baba.
Ta-da!
Where's the taxi guy?
Yeah, I was just wondering.
The guy in the taxi is gone. It's like, nope, I'm not gonna go. He's probably been through this ferry so many times, so he's like, no, there's no problem. I'll go to the car whilst we're there.
Yeah.
And he's almost there. Oh, it's all right. I can see it in the mirror. He has a mirror.
Whoa!
Wow.
Ba-boom. Damn, bro. That was intense. Let's see if I...
The cab driver is nowhere to be found. Oh, now he's coming. He's just chill. I think he just...
Okay, no.
We're going... Oh, I'm sorry. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're off.
And we're off. Hello, my friends.
So... I'm just standing on my tippy toes, trying so hard just to keep the balance.
Oh, waterfall! More waterfall! Oh shit! I need to concentrate what I'm doing.
Concentrate.
But there's so much to see. I can't. Oh, sheepies! Sheepies!
Sheepies?
Sheepies!
Golden light pours through the blinds, wash away the worries like a winding tide. Yesterday left far behind, your sweet scent fills my lungs open wide. In this soft light, troubles fade away with you. No need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through. I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I'd reach so high. Across the ocean, I'd soar with pride. For you, I give up my dreams, my hopes, my view. For you, what more could I ever do? I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, in the silent dawn, you stir from sleep. Sunlight paints your face in a golden sheen. The hush of dawn, a peaceful scene. A love that grows like a tender rose. In the soft light, troubles fade away with you. No need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through.
Okay. So we have been we've shopped for some food, and now we're gonna continue to our campsite, Senja camping.
Yeah, we are both really tired, but we are only 25 minutes from the campsite now.
Yeah.
86.
86 to the right.
We had an kinda emergency stop. We needed to get something in us, like some food. We purchased these tuna, like
Tuna
canned
cans, yeah,
tuna.
King, I think it was like King Oscar or something.
Yeah, but it was
tuna
with pepper and some chili, and I like chili, but this one was hot.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was like a Thai chili inside of it. It's like
Yeah,
crazy.
it was really screaming, "Don't eat me!" But I did it anyway. It's been a bit longer day than we anticipated, but we have seen so many beautiful views and mountains and the roads. Even though some of the roads were really patched up, they were still very fun to go on. So I'm happy with this day so far. Bit tired, yes,
Yes,
longing
really
for that
tired.
cabin, yes, but just
It's
like you see in the front, like all these mountains, it just makes it all worth it.
Yeah. goats. They have goats and big birds.
Like I said, high expectations.
I'll go check in and I'll see you guys later.
So, Pontus is just fixing the cabin key. And it's really beautiful here. Like, really beautiful. Those mountains. Many hours today on the bike. And here he comes. Happy days.
So we're going back up the road.
Back up the road.
Yeah, and then we're going left. And then just for a little bit. And then there's a little sign that apparently says skihytte.
Okay, wait. We're going back and
we're going
then
back. Yes.
And then where?
So we're going back. Back up to the main road.
To the main road, okay.
Yeah, main road. And then left up here.
So we're going back. Oh, that's a cute little puppy.
Oh, doggies! Oh, stop looking at doggies. Ride. Okay, so be a bit careful here. So after this meeting spot, I think we're gonna, yeah, right here. Here, left here.
Oh, it's
yeah,
it's very private.
Ski cabins. Yeah, it's very secluded from everything else. So
okay,
this is like our own private ski.
And then
this is it.
Oh, it's the ski cabin.
Yeah, that's our cabin.
Is a big house. But this is our
cabin.
Look at that. Look at that. Alltså herregud. Ser du vad jag ser?
I think we hit the jackpot.
Yes, we did. Are you seeing this?
Holy shit. Guys, I mean, come on. So we're gonna be staying here. This is where we're gonna be staying.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Not a bad view. Not a bad view at all. So we're gonna, oh yeah, it opened. And here we are, our beautiful cabin. Wow, this is so cozy.
Oh, for 2 nights as well. Oh my god, this was a great investment.
It was a great investment. Yeah, it was. This looks awesome. So we're gonna unpack our stuff and see you guys in a bit. We both are so tired. We didn't ride the motorcycles, but we have been traveling for more than 12 hours. Almost 13 hours on the bike. It was a push. Way big of a push. But we made it. We made it to Senja. We made it to the cabin. I am cooking some chicken with some kebab flavor. So that's gonna be nice.
Take a seat up there.
Yeah.
Light the fire.
Light the fire.
And maybe have some
hot chocolate by the fire.
And look at those mountains.
I think that is
just a brilliant way to end this long day. Oh, 12 hours has made my butt flat.